In this module we're going to take a look at working with shapes in Microsoft Word. So Word is predominantly a word processing program, so why do we need to add shapes to it? Well, it could be many reasons really. You could be designing a newsletter and you need diagrams on there, and you might be creating a process chart for people to follow, create posters and all sorts of different things. So although there are some fancy shapes, hearts and suns and moons and so on, the fundamental rectangles and arrows and so on often prove to be really useful when you're creating different types of document. So what sort of thing are we going to learn in this module? Well, we're going to start off by adding the shapes to the document, just making sure we're placing them in, resizing them as necessary, and just adding a few touches to them. We'll look at working with those shapes, so grouping shapes together and making sure they're aligned so it looks neat and presentable. We'll look at working with text, so you can add text to shapes. You can turn them into text boxes or diagrams with text in them. And finally we'll look at some other shape tasks as well, such as looking at the objects pane. So let's get stuck into our first lesson.